Hi friends, 25 days of content will make me go crazy. It's day 6 and I'm truly happy. If you're hearing my voice for the first time, my name is Lorraine Shu and I'm a YouTuber. I create content around food, culture, lifestyle. Today I'm baking a plain cake. To begin, I am separating my egg white from the egg yolk because I want to whisk the egg white and have like the extra fluffiness in my cake, but this is not necessary if you don't want to go through the stress. Then I go in with about half a cup of sugar into the egg yolk and I whisk till it's creamy. And mind you, I've used 3 eggs for this recipe. Next, I'll be adding coconut milk, but you can add the milk of your choice. Next, I'm adding vegetable oil, about half a cup too, and the dry ingredients. The dry ingredients consist of flour, baking powder, and vanilla powder. Simple, right? The quantities will depend on the amount of cake you like to make, but you can check the description box for the exact quantities for this recipe or during this recipe. Mix that up and add the egg white. Look at how thick and creamy it looks. Pour into a greased pan and bake on medium heat for about 30 minutes and voila, cake is ready. Bon appetit. Thank you so much for watching and come back tomorrow for another video. Bye.